Bulldogs. My name is Ashley Bates, and I'm your host for Rapid Fire. On this show, we'll have 4 rounds of asking challenging questions, and each round the wings will get hotter. Every round, our contestants will eat as much of a wing as they can, and once they have finished eating, the time for the questions will start. Each round will be 30 seconds of me asking as many challenging, are you smarter than a 5th grader questions I can. And each correct answer is a point, and whoever has the most points after each round will get that reward. If no one can get the answer, we will move on. And a huge thank you to Buffalo Wing Factory for giving us the wings we will be using today. Let's go ahead and meet our contestants.
I'm Calvin Balda, and I think I'm going to win because I can handle spice.
Oh no, it's getting worse.
My name is Neil Bailey, and I know I'm going to win.
Actually, it really hurts. Give me your milk.
I need a minute.
My name's Dom, and I think I'm going to win because they can't handle me.
Worse.
Yo, stop, bro.
My name's Connor, and I think I'm going to win because I'm a master.
For round 1, we have the Lava Ranch wing. You may begin. Eat!
All right.
Oh my god.
Bro. Oh yeah.
This is cold, man.
It's a little cold, I can't lie.
Alright, just say we'll begin it.
We're fun?
Calvin's not done.
Oh my god, Calvin.
Whoa.
Calvin.
Bro, I'm waiting on you.
Our round of questions will start now. What is the most populated state in the U.S.?
Texas. Oh wait.
Yo.
That was me.
Incorrect, Neil.
California.
Correct. What is the process of water turning into vapor called? Calvin.
Oh shoot. I give up. I don't remember.
Dom.
Evaporation.
Correct.
Oh my god.
Who wrote the Harry Potter book series? Calvin.
J.K. Rowling.
And that is the end of our round.
Woo.
Since we ended on a tie, we're going to do one tiebreaker question. What is the plural form of the word deer? That was Dom.
No, dude. Time limit.
Incorrect. Neil.
What are you talking about?
Incorrect.
It's deer.
Correct.
Oh my god. What?
Doe is the baby deer. What did you say? Our reward for that round was a cup of water that will go to Calvin.
Can I just hold on to this water?
It's shaking. His
Yeah,
hands are
also-
shaking. Why is his head shaking? Like, what we getting ourselves into?
I'm nervous, man.
Now on to round 2. We have the Sweet Flamin' Jerk wing. Oh, who's crunch?
That's good.
I like this.
Oh, you do? Okay. Not really that,
We're
not really that
breathing.
spicy, to be honest.
That's called low weight.
It's light work.
No reaction.
Napkins down. And our time for questions is starting now. Whose picture is on the $5 bill? Dom.
Thomas Jefferson.
Wrong.
Abraham Lincoln.
Correct.
Sir.
Which continent is the least populated? Neil.
Hand on it. Yeah, low key, that's fine.
Yeah, Calvin.
Antarctica.
Correct.
Oh my gosh.
The interior angles of a triangle always sum up to what degree? Calvin.
180.
Correct. How many amendments are in the Bill of Rights? Calvin.
Skip me.
Dom.
10.
Correct.
Oh my god.
Julius Caesar was the famous leader of what empire? Dom.
The Roman Empire.
Correct. We're pausing. What is the outer layer of the Earth called? Dom.
Ozone layers.
Incorrect. Neil.
Atmosphere.
Incorrect. Calvin. The correct answer was crust.
I would have said that.
You didn't grab it when we asked the question.
You didn't grab the cup.
I didn't know at first, and it took me time.
Just grab it, because then you'll be the next one.
Alright.
What color do you get when you mix blue and yellow? Neil.
Green.
Correct. What is the center of an atom called? Calvin.
Nucleus.
Correct.
Nerds.
That's time. And Calvin is the winner of our second round, which he will get a cup of ranch.
Come on!
AP wing.
I get my ranch, bro.
We're now going to start round 3 with the torrid wing.
Let's go. That's the method, bro. Y'all jealous right now?
Nah, man, I'm good. All good.
It's not even spicy.
It's still light work.
Pretty good ranch. A little hot.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel.
All I taste is
Yeah.
ranch.
All I taste is ranch.
Oh no. No, I taste a little bit more than the
Oh,
ranch.
no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay.
Yeah, it's looking.
This.
All right, hands on the table. In round 3 of questions is going to start now.
Oh my God.
How many continents are there?
8.
Incorrect, Dom.
Continents? 7.
Correct.
Oh my god.
Ready? What war was fought between the North and South in the United States? Neil. Correct.
Okay. Alright.
What do bees collect from flowers? Calvin.
Bro, this kid
Correct.
early.
Yeah, you shit.
What did colonists famously toss into the Boston Harbor? Neil.
T.
Correct. How long does it take Earth to orbit once around the sun? Dominic.
Me.
365 days.
Correct.
This cup is not even in his hand.
We're pausing. What's the name of the closest star to Earth? Neil.
Jupiter.
Wrong.
Jupiter. He said Jupiter. No.
It's a planet.
That's a planet, man.
Hey guys.
You didn't pick it up first. It was Calvin.
The sun.
Correct.
Oh my gosh.
Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Connor.
Oh my god. Who is it?
No.
Armstrong.
Correct! And that is time. And our final question for the tiebreaker between Neil, Dom, and Calvin. What is the name of a shape with 5 sides? Dom.
Pentagon.
Correct. And Dom is our winner for round 3, and the reward is a glass of milk.
Oh, that looks good. Oh,
This
man,
is gonna be real.
Is that whole milk?
This is gonna get bad.
And for our last and final round, we have the flatliner, which they actually had to sign a waiver to eat. So go ahead and give it a try.
No,
Okay.
the last one's pretty.
Oh, that's rancid. Oh! You smell it?
I'm nervous for them. Oh, Dom went in fast.
You just gotta get it down. Oh, you're doing 2 bites?
Oh, that's rough.
That tastes terrible. Oh no.
Oh no.
No, wait, one more sec.
Yo, stop.
Yeah, it's getting worse.
Can we go?
Oh, it hurts. It
Yeah,
actually
give me
really
the
hurts.
Give me your milk.
I need it, man.
Hands on the table, and our round of questions is starting now. What do you call a house made of ice? Neil.
Igloo.
Correct. What is the name of the famous wizard school Harry Potter attends? Dom.
Hogwarts.
Come on.
Correct. What is the name of the largest planet in our solar system? Calvin.
Jupiter.
Correct. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? Dom.
32 degrees Fahrenheit.
Correct. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Calvin.
Da Vinci.
Correct. What famous document begins with "We the People"? Dom.
Declaration of Independence.
Incorrect. Neil.
Gettysburg Address.
Incorrect. Calvin.
Bill of Rights.
Incorrect. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic? Calvin.
Amelia Earhart.
Correct.
No, I knew the answer. I knew the answer.
What did Alexander Graham Bell invent?
The telephone. The telephone.
Correct. Put the cup down.
It's that,
I'm
bro.
crying, bro.
What continent is the largest by land? Neil.
Europe.
Incorrect. Calvin.
Africa.
Incorrect. Dom.
Asia.
Correct. What famous iron tower is located in Paris? Neil.
I didn't even hear the question.
Correct. And that is the end of our round.
Oh my God.
And our winner of the final round
God.
in the
I
flatliner
need
is
it.
Calvin,
Oh, that's-
who actually gets a whole tub of ice cream all to himself.
Oh, let's go. Give me that ice cream.
No, this is different.
Oh my God, this really hurts, bro. It's
This
getting
is
so much
different.
worse.
To say thank you for.
And that is going to wrap up Rapid
Oh
Fire.
my
And
God.
thank you to all our contestants for playing, and I hope you
that's
guys
good.
enjoyed.
I think I won. I won 3 out of the 4 rounds. Ice cream tastes really good. It hurts a lot more than you think. It still hurts really bad.
It's really hot. My mouth is on fire. But 3rd place, not bad. We'll get it next time.
I feel like I'm on fire right now. I feel pretty good about being a second. I feel like I got gypped in the last round. I feel like Calvin cheated a little bit. But yeah, feeling good.
Feeling pretty bad, you know, came in last. Well, I feel like I let everyone down, but, you know, maybe next time I'll get them.
At the Tribune, we don't put anybody through things we wouldn't do ourselves. So here's the first swing.
Cheers.
Lava Ranch.
Lava Ranch. Okay.
One more.
Cheers. Actually, I like hot sauce, but not
All right, this one's gonna be hot.
I'm scared.
Cheers. 3, 2, 1.
Is that whole milk?
This is gonna get bad.